Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually just jump down page or jump up page. Well, there is actually multiple methods to do so, and I will show you how you can actually do each one alone. So now let's start with going to our dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and by going there you will have this page opened. Of course guys, I've already made such videos about this dashboard, about how to create an account, so make sure to check them out if you're not ready. But if you're not ready, let's get ahead and start this tutorial. So the page will be open something like that. Go here and put your username and email address, and here your password. So from here guys, now we will have so many methods. So which one are we going to start with? Which is the simple one. So for example, appearance, and I will show you my appearance. That is this one. This is capacious, which is the theme that has already this arrow by default in it. So for example, if I go down, if I click on it, it will take me up, and the same thing that you all want, which is going with the arrow that will help you go up and down. You can choose it's like appearance with F12. You can change its how it works by going to the console and do whatever you like, and yeah, from here you can choose whatever you like. Of course, for those who doesn't have this kind of template that has the arrow already inserted to it, you can go to plugins, add new, and from here you search for let's wait, scroll down arrow, and let's wait a little bit, and let's search for it. Yes, table of contents. Wait, let's remove this, and yeah, here is the scroll top and down arrow, which is already made by WordPress and has already 200,000 200k down installations in WordPress. So what you have to do is click on install now, and then you activate it and you will be ready to use it. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and see you in next tutorial. Bye bye.